What if you could make your first $500 as an affiliate in 3 simple steps? No website, no experience, no tech skill, no complicated setup, just your phone and AI. In this video, I'll break down the exact 3 steps process beginners are using to make their first ever $500 even starting from zero. Hey friends, welcome to today's video. And if you are new here, my name is Jovin. Here, I teach you how to use AI, automation tools, and simple online systems to build income streams as an affiliate marketer. And today's tutorial is one of the easiest and most actionable video I have ever made. So before we dive in properly, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, especially if you are new here, and don't forget to share this video with others to also benefit. Having said that, let's quickly move to the main point of today's video. Step 1. So to make your first $500 as an affiliate, the first thing you must do is to quickly select a high converting offer using AI. Let's discuss this in details. Most beginners get this wrong because they promote random products. Whereas for you, you are going to use AI to select a winner product. And to do that, first you have to identify a profitable niche. So it is the high time to grab ChatGPT or Claude AI and type in these prompts. Give me 10 affiliate niches with high buyer intent, low competition, and high demand. This is a prompt you are going to use. These short prompts instantly removes guesswork. Alternatively, you can use exploding topic AI to find niches that is blowing up right now. If you are already a ClickBank affiliate, use CB Snooper SI to find a high gravity product on that platform. So now, if you have successfully selected a niche from your research with ChatGPT and Claude AI, you can now use Affiliatizer AI to find the best performing offer in that your niche. And to get that right, here are the criteria you must look out for. 1. Your product must be in high demand. 2. It must provide a clear solution to a problem. 3. Your product should offer a commission between $20 to $200. And 4. Your product should have a beginner-friendly landing page. Once you have a product that checks these boxes, it is time to move to step 2. And that is where the real money is. So after a successful selection of your niche and a high converting offer, it is now time for you to move to step 2, which is using AI to create a high viral content that sells. Always remember, traffic is the bloodline of your business. And the fastest way to drive traffic is through AI-powered contents that attract viewers and clicks. To create a short, high-converting script, tools like ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Jasper AI is perfect for this. And here is a short killer prompt that you can use. Write a 20-second TikTok script promoting product XYZ, focusing on the #1 benefits for beginners. So with AI-powered prompt, you'll be able to create content faster and with a high chance of conversion. With Freezer AI, you only need to select your niche, your product information, and an AI voice, and then your video will be ready within few seconds. To turn your product script generated from ChatGPT into a video, Vid.io is perfect for this. Alternatively, you can turn the script generated from ChatGPT into a realistic voiceover using ElevenLabs AI. And with your generated realistic voice from ElevenLabs and CapCut templates, you can create a short viral video about your products in minutes. Once your video content is ready, you can now create thumbnails for your video by using Canva AI and Adobe Express AI. And your quality thumbnails will attract more viewers, which will lead to more clicks of your link and also more conversions. And for attractive caption, hooks, and description, use V.IQ, Gemini AI, and TubeBuddy AI. Your next job is to start sharing your content on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, on YouTube Shorts, and also on Facebook Reels. And your daily share of your content about your products can bring you up to 100 to 500 clicks of your links. And that is how beginners hit their first $500 faster. Now, once you have your content going out daily about your product, it is now time to automate and scale your work, and that is our step number 3. To schedule and auto-post your content daily, tools like Puma AI, Metricool, and Buffer AI is perfect for this. You can also use AI to improve your work performance, and that is where vidIQ AI comes in. Sofa SEO, on the other hand, helps you draft a better description for your content. And Google Trend AI helps you stay up to date with rising demands. So with this AI, you'll be able to know what is working and also avoid wasting of time. To track your clicks, earnings, and new ideas, use Notion AI. To automate repetitive tasks, use Zapier AI. With these 3 simple steps and application of all the AI I have mentioned, you can quickly scale from $50 to $500 and to $5,000. Not by working hard, but by working smarter with AI. Now, here is exactly what will happen if you follow these simple 3 steps and apply all the AI I have mentioned. 1. You'll be able to pick a better offer. 2. You'll be able to create more content in less time. 3. You will get quality clicks daily. 4. You will convert more viewers into buyers. And number 5, you will build a consistent affiliate commission. And that is how AI is helping complete beginners hit their first $500 faster. And remember, you don't need a special skills, you don't need experience. All you need is the right system and the willingness to start. AI has leveled the playing field, and this is the best moment to take advantage of it. If you have learned something new today, smash that like button. Comment AI income if you want the full list of the tools. Don't fail to hit subscribe if you want more tutorial on AI income and affiliate marketing commission hacks. And if you want a full step-by-step guide on how to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate marketer using AI, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.